Hello, good morning everyone. Going to do good sitting, good looking, good listening and good joining in. First, it's wake up, shake up. Today's assembly is all about New Year. What is New Year? It's the first day of the new year. Lots of people have a party. People celebrate on the 31st of December. New Year is on the first day of January. At New Year, people think about making themselves better. It could be eating healthier food. It could be doing more exercises. It could be reading more books. It could be using my voice more. It could be trying new foods. It could be looking after our school. What will you try to do to make yourself better? Happy New Year! Remember, follow the school rules to stay safe. The sign of the week is promise. Promise. Assembly is finished. Thank you. Bye.